Għexet ħajja pjuttost qasira. Il-battalja mal-kanċer tilfita fl-età ta' 28 sena. Kellha ċans li ssalva ħajjitha iżda minflok għażlet il-ħajja ta' binha. Hija din l-istorja ta' żagħżugħa Taljana Chiara Corbella Petrillo li għexet ħajjitha bl-iktar mod sempliċi fejn iżżewġet lil Enrico Petrillo u kellha 3 tfal, b'2 minnhom sfortunatament tilfuhom nofsija wara li twildu. Il-ħajja sempliċi li għexet u l-imħabba bla qis li uriet misset il-qlub ta' eluf ta' persuni madwar id-dinja. Tant li lum il-ġurnata Chiara tinsab fl-ewwel fażi biex issir qadisa. Net News kellu l-opportunità li jiltaqa' mal-ġenituri ta' Chiara, Roberto u Maria fejn qattaw ftit ġranet f'pajjiżna.
Chiara era una bambina molto solare, sempre sorridente, sempre pronta a comprendere gli altri, ad aiutare magari le amiche che erano meno fortunate o che avevano qualche problema.
Definitely she was always smiling, and I was used to call her my Julia Roberts. She was really enjoying the life. She was very respectful. She was coherent with her life. So she was presenting her fate, but at the same time was never trying to impose it to anyone else.
Tibqa' meqjusa b'mod speċjali bħala dik il-persuna li l-ordinarju dejjem irnexxielha tbiddlu f'xi ħaġa straordinarju. Ħafna jqisu lil Chiara bħala dik il-persuna li wettqet miraklu b'mod differenti minn kif nafuhom is-soltu. Salvat mijiet ta' trabi bid-deċiżjoni tagħha li ma tagħmilx abbort ta' 3 ulied, deċiżjoni li swiet ħajjitha. Dan hekk kif biex tipproteġi lit-tarbija f'ġufa għal xhur sħaħ Chiara rrifjutat li tingħata trattament meħtieġ kontra l-kanċer.
Chiara's position for all the 3 pregnancy was to play a role of mother, to grant to the baby the best possible. She did it with the first 2 that she was aware that were not going to survive longer. In fact, the 2 last for just half an hour each. For different situation, no link between one and the other. With Francesco, when she know that everything was okay, she say, "Who I am to be able to decide the life of Francesco?" So she accept. She had the first surgery, was very invasive, but it was not creating problem to Francesco because she had the surgery on the tongue, a local one. When she was supposed to have a second one that was much more invasive, she said, no, first of all, I have to deliver Francesco, to give him all what I can, and then I will take all the surgery and all the radio, chemio, therapy, etc.
Missiera ddiskrivija bħala persuna ta' ftit kliem iżda b'karattru sod ħafna. Kull min iltaqa' ma' Chiara kulħadd jiddiskrivija bħala persuna li dejjem rawa kuntenta u qatt memnet fl-isfortuna.
The last period that we spent together, all the family, was not a sad period. The people visiting us were really shocked because they were expecting a family destroyed, crying all the time. On the contrary, Chiara was smiling, but all of us, we were joking even on their problem. And that's, helped a lot in accepting it. She concluded her life by saying that she asked God to leave it her here till when we were prepared to accept it.
Bħalissa Chiara tinsab fil-fażi li ssir qaddisa hekk kif qed tkun meqjusa li anke wara mewta salvat tant ħajjiet u għamlet tant differenza.